say you owe me something.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a wig install video, and it is by the brand ELFIN Hair. It is their Burmese Curly Half Wig in 22 inches. I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing it different. I'm not going to be doing the leave out method. I'm going to do the no leave out method, where I'm just crocheting it along the perimeter. So I'm very curious to see how that's going to turn out. It's not looking very much Burmese curly, but I'm hoping that when I wet it, like, you'll be able to really see like the curl pattern and everything. So if y'all want to see me install this half wig doing the no leave out method crochet, just keep on watching. First clip right here, go right here, right on the side. I'll just take it and tighten it that. Oh, yes, this is giving already. Like, I need to book me a trip immediately. Close it and then pull it through. And close it, then pull it through. This hair is very soft, like extremely soft. I have my spray bottle, and then I have my mousse, but I might have to grab my other one because this not gonna do nothing for me. Body mousse. As you can tell, I use this a lot. Okay, let's get into the styling because I know that's what we are all here for. So I just used my Lotta body mousse and my water to define the hair. And do y'all see how juicy these curls look? And this hair is super full, so it definitely took me a little minute to get through all the sections. But as you can see, these curls are given. Like, do y'all see it? Y'all see it. And of course, I had to go through and lay my edges, had to get them real nice and laid. But ELFIN definitely did their big one. Like, at what point can I say that this is my natural hair? Like, literally growing out my scalp. Can I say it now or later? This hair is doing exactly what it needs to. So this is just how the hair turned out. It's definitely giving vacation. Like, I'm about to go book one immediately when I cut this camera off. I need to be like Miami, Puerto Rico, Mexico, Honduras, somewhere other than Vegas, because it is so cold here. But this texture is just so pretty. Like, I'm obsessed. So if you love this wig, definitely go check out. It's the Burmese Curly Half Wig from ELFIN Hair. I'm gonna have a link down below in the description box. But if you want to see more hair videos from me, definitely leave it down in the comments below. I will definitely bring y'all some more hair content. But if you want to see like my other hair content, I do post still on TikTok. So yeah, okay, bye.